Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss union function. If you want to create a overlap layer, so it function is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is selected feature, means selected feature 1 and second selected feature 2 and selected feature 1 and 2 both, and we create union. For create union we see attribute, right click and go to open attribute. So selected feature 1, name 1, id 2, name 2 and type 2, and we see here selected feature 2. We right click and go to open attribute table and select, see here name 1, id 2, name 2 and type 2, and we union it. For union we go to vector and select here geoprocessing tool and go to union. We select here selected feature, means first feature, and overlay feature means selected feature 2. After it, if you want to give a output location, you save it. For your location, union function, save it and run. We close it and we see here our output is here. You see here our output, 3 feature created, 1, 2 and 3, and we also see attribute. For attribute we right click and go to open attribute table, and you see here name 1, id 2, name 2, id 2 and second feature name 1 underscore 2, id underscore 2, name underscore 2, type underscore 2. We create union for merge attribute and create another layer for overlap. So it is very important for you. So please listen. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Check validity means error. If you create a polygon and you find a error point and valid output and invalid output, so it is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our polygon, valid, invalid. So we check it which feature is valid, which feature is invalid. So for check validity we go to vector and geometry tool and we select here check validity, and we select here selected feature because we draw already polygon in selected feature layer, and we pick method the one selected in digital setting, and after it we go to output location. If you want, you select here output location. If you don't use output location, then you run it and close it, and you see here your output. Here is your error point you right click and open attribute. Here is 4 output error point. You see here output error point, and you see here invalid output. Here is invalid output for your polygon, and here is valid output. You see here is valid output, and you see here all area means all feature, valid feature and invalid feature and output. So it is very important for you want to find error. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Collecting geometry means if you want to merge different feature to one layer, so it is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. For collecting geometry, here is our feature, 3 feature. You see here, right click and go to attribute, and here is 3 feature, 1, 2 and 3, and we select different 1, 2, 3 as per our requirement. For collecting geometry, we unselect it and we go to vector and geometry tool and select here collecting geometry, and we select here our layer selected feature, and after it we run it and we close it. You see here output of collecting geometry. You see here is result collecting feature, and we right click and open attribute table. You see here only one layer and you select one, so you select all feature, you unselect it and you select it, all feature is merge one layer, and you see here input, here is input, you select one by one and see output, you select anyone, all feature is selected. So collecting geometry process is complete successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss Delaunay triangulation, means how to draw triangular in point. So it is very important if you want to interested and create a triangulation in point. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our point, 2 point. For Delaunay triangulation means creating triangulation, we go to vector and geometry tool and we select here Delaunay triangulation. After it we select here layer, first layer point, then selection, we run it and we found a error. Input layer should contain at least 3 point, means minimum 3 point is required for triangulation. So we select 3 point layer, we select here point 3, here is 3 point, and we go to vector, geometry tool and Delaunay triangulation. After it we select input point 2 and run, close it. You see here our triangulation is created successful, and we use another method, means another point. For another point we select here point 3, here is 5 point, and we create a triangulation. Here is no center point, and we create triangulation. For triangulation we go to vector and geometry tool, and we select here Delaunay triangulation, and we select here point 3 and run and close it. You see here your triangulation is created 5 point, and next 4, here is 5 point, 1 center point. So we create it. For creating we go to vector, geometry tool, Delaunay triangulation, and we select here point 4. After it we run it and close it. You see here is center point, and we create a triangulation. And next multiple point, here is our multiple point, we create triangulation. For creating triangulation we go to vector, geometry tool, Delaunay triangulation, we select here input 0.5 and run and we close it. You see here Delaunay triangulation is created, many triangulation is created. So we create successful our process Delaunay triangulation. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. How to join by location in QGIS. If you want to interested for joining your data shape file to shape file, so it is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our point, and we right click and go to open attribute table. Here is attribute ID 20, 21 and 22, and we go to another layer. Here is polygon, you right click, open attribute table, and here is name and triangulation 1, triangulation 2 and triangulation 3, and here is ID 20, 21 and 22. We join by location. For join by location we go to vector, data management tool, then we select here join attribute by location, and we select here join to feature in, select here point, and here is feature the geometric predication, means if you want to other changes, other type of join, you select anyone. We select here intersect, and another layer polygon, we select here polygon layer. After it run and close it. Here is our output, join output layer. We right click and open attribute table. You see here your join table. Here is point ID, and here is name, polygon name, triangulation 1, 2 and 3. Here is ID 2, means polygon ID. So we successful join by location process. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. How to install plugin. Plugin is very important if you want to work in fast of your project. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let start. Here is our QGIS. For plugin, we go to plugin, and after plugin we go to manage and install plugin, and here is plugin. We select here all, and we search here if you want to plugin for creating digitizing. So please write here digitizing. Here is digitizing type plugin, and you use it. If you want to more detail, you select it. Here is border focus. Here is all detail and rating and downloading. You also see here detail, and if you want to other plugin, you write here. If you want to clip related plugin, you write here clip. So here is clip related plugin, and rating you see here 1 to 1 rating. Here is rating and download, and other plugin you see here clipping related many plugin. So as per your need, you click any one. We select here clip multiple layer, and we click on install plugin. Our plugin is installed. Close it. Our plugin is start. You see here right hand side, here is our clip plugin and symbol. Successful install our plugin. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.